This is a Whirlpool Duet dryer, and you can see the door open from the wall side. My wife wants to change to the other side, open from here. It's easy from the washer to load. After I take a close look, there's a tab here for the door, and here underneath this, the seal, I can feel there's a few holes here. If you look here, on the hinge, there's 4 mounting screws here. And on the door inside, left-hand side, there's a slot here. And on the right-hand side, there's another one. So the Whirlpool already make it, you can reverse the door. It's easy to take the door hinge out from the frame and mount it on the other side. After reverse the door hinge on the door frame, this window, you have to rotate 180 degrees. So here must be facing to the right. And keep this, the outer frame, same.
Look at the back. There are the 6 mounting screws you have to loosen to take off the front door frame where the window sits on. After taking off the front frame, you only need to rotate the window 180 degrees, not front frame.
The outer screw is a Phillips here, and the inside here is a Torx. So don't take the Torx screws out.
Leave Torx screw there. Take Phillips screws out. Total 6 Phillips screws. Take off the front frame with the window from the door base. Take off the window from the front frame and rotate window only 180 degrees. Put the window into the front frame from the inside. Let it sit down on the front frame and snap the tabs in. Now the dryer door has a good orientation, open from the left. Next, I'm going to take the hinge out, put on the other side. Mount the hinge on the other side of the dryer door. Take the door lock tab out. Take a look at this tab on the hinge. It should be inserted into the opening of the door frame.
So you sit in, and then it's easy to mount the screw.
turn 4 hinge mounting screws into the door frame.
I put this the lock tab here. This is a hinge cover, so you have to move this hinge cover from here to here.
Install the front frame onto the door base and snap in. Turn in the 6 mounting screws. The top middle one is the long screws. I appreciate you watch this video to this moment. If you like this video, please hit like button and subscribe for more appliances videos.
Okay, so right now you can close from this side. It's much easier for my wife, for the people to take out the load from the washer and load it to the dryer. Thank you for watching. See you next time.